Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for you CBR600RR Splash Edition. Absolutely gorgeous is this and super, super rare. It's lovely. 2009 on a 59, done 22,261 miles, but you honestly wouldn't think it has. You'd think it had done literally 2,261 miles. It's lovely. Really, really is nice. Got some nice bits on it. It's got the RNG crash protection. Got the carbon yoke protector, billet levers. Lovely seat cowl on there. Titanium Akrapovic exhaust with the carbon heat shield as well. Sounds absolutely gorgeous. We'll come to that bit in a second. It is honestly super, super clean. We'll give you a show of the dashboard. It really is super, super clean. Come down and see for yourself at Jordanbikes or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and once it's done, we will give you a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We also offer finance and PCPs, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. If you like what you've seen, give us a ring and get it bought. Thank you.